Natural position, right? Neutral. Soft knees, tight through hips. From here, we're gonna raise our right hand up to the weight, that weighted end of the mace, and turn it right, and this is cross body right. From here, we're gonna go to cross body right, horizontal. Just gonna drop the bell down, straight across. And from here, our left arm is gonna go up, and our right hand is gonna go down, and this is cross body right low. To switch over to the left side, what we're gonna do is called a prayer position switch. Our natural left hand is gonna come up, prayer in the center, and our right hand, non-dominant now, is gonna go down, and we're cross body left. Cross body high left, we're gonna drop the weight, down, the bar down. Woo. And this is cross body left, horizontal. Right hand comes up, left hand extends, cross body left, low. Back to horizontal. We're gonna go to prayer for the switch. Hand comes down, cross body right high, horizontal, low. What we're gonna do right now is called a ballistic curl, which is those same movements but in a faster pace. So right is gonna come up, left is gonna come down, curl, switch, up. So we're going through all the movements. Cross body left low, horizontal, right. Ballistic curl. You always want to maintain contact with the bar. You don't want to jump the bar over into your hand like this. You want to have contact, connection with the bar, switch the weight.